Good morning, students. This is a new topic, Module 3, Lesson 3, MSME sector, medium, small, micro enterprises sector. So, MSME sector, part 1. This MSME sector I divided into two parts for your convenience. So, in the first part, we are going to discuss role and significance of MSME sector. In that we can have a definition, then criteria, then role and significance of MSME sector. In second part, government policies and measures and recent development programs of MSME. So these are the things that we have to discuss in this topic. So let us start with part 1. I repeat, module 3, lesson 3, part 1, MSME sector. In 2006, the government introduced a new definition of the sector through the passing of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act. According to the Act, enterprises have been categorized into those engaged in manufacturing and those providing services. So these are two parts, manufacturing and service sector, manufacturing sector and service sector. Both the categories have been further classified as micro, small and medium on the basis of their investment in plants and machinery. Let us see that what is the investment criteria as per MSMED Act. For manufacturing sector, for micro enterprises, the investment in the plant should be equal to or less than 25 lakhs. For small enterprises, it should be more than 25 lakhs and less than 5 crores. And for medium enterprises, it should be more than 5 crores and less than 10 crores. In the service sector, for micro enterprises, it should be less than 10 lakhs. Small enterprises, more than 10 lakhs, less than 10 crores, and medium enterprises more than 2 crores and less than 5 crores. So this is the investment criteria for MSME sector, like for manufacturing and for service sector. Let us see the next point, that is role and significance of MSME sector. That means how important MSME in our country. Number 1, contribution to GDP. According to MSME Annual Report 2078, the sector contributed 28.77%, both manufacturing and services, to the total GDP. So contribution in GDP is very high. Second, employment generation. The MSME sector generally uses labor-intensive techniques of production. About 50% of MSMEs are owned by underprivileged groups. As per NSS 73rd round in 2015-16, employment in MSME have been 11.1 crore job, out of which 55% of jobs are in urban areas. Third point, contribution to export. The sector has been contributing to India's export earnings through traditional and non-traditional items. About 93% of the export of this sector come from non-traditional items. The share of this sector to total export was 34% in 2015 and 16. In case of sports goods, the sector's share to the export is 100%. Fourth point, mobilization of capital and entrepreneurial skills. The MSMEs are more decentralized and are spread throughout the country. They can also effectively use the skill of large number of small entrepreneurs. Next, equitable distribution of income and wealth. MSME bring about more equitable distribution of national income and wealth because the ownership pattern of this industry is more widespread. They have higher potential to generate employment, leading to income generation and better income distribution. The next point, regional dispersal of industries. MSMEs are more widely spread throughout the country because many of them are set up to meet the local needs and use the locally available resources. About 55% of registered MSMEs are located in rural areas. Next point, support to large scale industries. The large scale manufacturing sector benefits from the MSME sector through the supply of components, spare parts, etc. Last point, support to agriculture. The support provided by this sector to agriculture is in the form of supply of inputs, processing facilities and consumer goods in rural areas. It shows the significant role of MSME sector in India. This is very important question. Students, first you have to give the definition when the question will be asked. What is MSME and explain role of MSME. Then give this definition, investment criteria and role and significance of MSME sector, that 8 points. Again, the pointers are important. All the 8 points you have to cover in your answer. Thank you.